Did you know that the next solar eclipse isn't just an astronomical event? It's also one of the most powerful cosmic portals to manifest your true destiny. Today, I'll reveal how you can harness this rare alignment of the sun and the moon to set intentions, clear old patterns, and step boldly into the life you were meant to live. Because during a solar eclipse, the usual flow of cosmic energy shifts. The light of the sun, our source of clarity and life force, is temporarily blocked, opening the door for deep transformation. If you're ready to align with your higher path, this is the moment to act. Understand the power of the eclipse. A solar eclipse symbolizes endings and new beginnings. Think of it as a cosmic reset button. It's a chance to let go of what no longer serves you and welcome in fresh energy that's aligned with your true purpose. Set clear intentions. Grab a journal and write down your intentions. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want success," write, "I am creating a career that fulfills me and brings abundance." The eclipse amplifies whatever energy you focus on. Create a manifestation ritual. During the eclipse, spend a few minutes in silence. Breathe deeply. Visualize your intention as if it has already happened. You can use crystals, meditation, or simply your imagination. What matters is the clarity of your vision. Release the old. Write down limiting beliefs or patterns you're ready to release. Then, safely burn the paper or tear it up. This symbolic act tells the universe, "I'm ready to let go and step into my destiny." The solar eclipse is more than just a spectacular sight in the sky. It's a cosmic invitation. The question is, will you use this moment to manifest the life you've always dreamed of? Remember, the universe responds when you do. If you found this powerful, hit that like button, share this with a friend who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more insights on cosmic energy and manifestation. Your destiny is waiting. Are you ready to claim it?